Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials: original Vivo charger and the matching USB-C cable rated for the phone's wattage. Plug into a stable wall outlet, not a power strip, since voltage drops slow charging. Once done, enable airplane mode or turn the screen off to cut background drain. Make sure battery health is adequate in settings. Degraded batteries limit fast charging. Doing this first reduces heat and ensures the phone accepts the highest possible charge rate from the charger. You now focus on system settings and load reduction. Open settings and enable any fast charging, high-speed charge, or dual-engine options that Vivo provides. These toggle the charging algorithm. Make sure adaptive battery or background-restricted apps aren't throttling power. Close or force-stop gaming and streaming apps, and make sure no intensive file transfers run. Once adjusted, connect the certified cable and charger. Wired connection delivers higher current and less heat than wireless, so prefer it. You finish by monitoring the charging notification or battery graph to confirm rapid EMA flow. This shows the phone accepted fast charge. If speed is lower than expected, test the cable and charger with another device or try a different original Vivo charger. Cheap or damaged cables and adapters limit current. Make sure the phone stays cool, remove thick cases and charge in a ventilated area. If overheating persists, pause charging and let the battery cool before resuming to protect lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.